Uaviation provide property managers with unprecedented knowledge and insight into the condition of their buildings. We give property managers the confidence in their decision making by providing tools, technology, and insight for a comprehensive understanding of their assets. Uaviation's drone and building inspection service is faster, safer, and more cost-effective than traditional inspection methods, eliminating the need for mobile towers, scissor lifts, or high rope access, keeping staff out of harm's way and with 2 feet firmly on the ground. Uaviation draw on years of experience in the capture of asset condition information, drone technology, and camera operation to ensure a reliable service. Our roof and building inspection reports are completed by qualified engineers and contain key information on the severity, location, and extent of defects. We provide high-definition textured 3D and 2D models of the roof surface. These 3D digital twins allow for maintenance information to be captured and located on the 3D model, improving understanding and communication of defects through your organisation and to subcontractors. Uaviation can also provide thermal imaging services to locate areas of water pooling, air conditioning escape, as well as assess the performance of rooftop plant. Should they wish to, your team can work alongside our engineers, monitoring the live feed from the aircraft at the ground control station to provide direction and insight into the process. We can provide your results in a form that best suits you, from a standard inspection report to an online cloud-based portal that enables you to mark up, annotate, comment, and share inspection results, providing an easy way to share the data with your colleagues, third-party contractors, and management. If you would like to know more about how we can assist you with your roof inspection challenges, please call us or contact us through our website at contact@uaviation.com.au.